Hey, great sci-fi people, this is Anthony Ferraro with some news. We last left off where I was doing a fundraiser and getting props ready for sale for my short film Starfisher that we've been building a lot of things for on the channel, and then it just stopped. Well, the news is I had to take a detour and work on a job for the man. Sometimes you gotta work for the man. Landlord, the mobile phone company, the power company, they don't care about my YouTube channel. So, apologies for being gone for a second, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do to keep the passion alive. Hopefully one day I won't have to take breaks to do that sort of thing. But yeah, according to this news, we're gonna be right back. Probably in a couple of weeks, we'll pick up from that sale. I might do like a live stream. Let me know what you think about that. And it'll be a sale. You can bid on the props, and then I'll run alongside that like a more traditional like Indiegogo, because some people have mentioned, you know, you want to donate a couple bucks, or maybe we'll have digital things, my book, and maybe some signed books on there, right? So, yep, according to this news, we'll be back in a couple weeks. Thanks for standing by. Thank you for your patience. And remember, I'm just here to help make sci-fi